first elevator at the Foster Apartments in Durham, North Carolina. It's an Otis Gen2. It's a pretty big and tall 2-speed, or single side cab. It's locked on the inside, so it's a calmer side pickup. I think parking barn's probably gonna be, oh no, that's open, okay. Here we go. I guess this is the 545 Foster, not just the Foster, I guess. Here, parking one. I'm pretty certain the upper floors are locked. Yeah, locked. It's a basic fake green cab. Again, it's pretty tall. What's the capacity? 3,500, but I guess that doesn't count for the ceiling height. 250 minutes certificate installed in 2020. Thought these were a little older. I thought these were like 2015. Back up a 5. Here's another one here. I don't know if that one's locked on the inside or not. I haven't been on that one yet. Probably is. Alright, its doors are acting weird. That closes and that's going to be it. I had to do that earlier.